Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of party decorations with the best purple and gold balloon arch kit available in the market. If you're looking to elevate your event decor with elegance and style, you're in the right place. Introducing the All Indiana 1 Purple and Gold Balloon Arch and Garland Kit. This comprehensive kit is your ticket to creating stunning balloon arrangements for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday bash, graduation celebration, bridal shower, or any other special event. What sets this kit apart is its convenience and quality. Inside, you'll find everything you need to bring your vision to life. From a curated selection of lavender, dark purple, pastel purple, and gold balloons to the handy balloon arch strip, tying ribbon, and glue dots, this kit has got you covered. And don't worry if you're new to balloon decorating. The included video instructions make assembly a breeze. But let's talk about quality. Ever experienced the frustration of balloons popping or deflating prematurely? With this kit, you can say goodbye to those worries. The balloons are made of high-quality rubber, ensuring they stay vibrant and inflated throughout your entire event. Plus, the mix of colors and sizes has been carefully curated to create a professional-looking finish every time. Now, let's talk about the end result. Once assembled, this balloon arch is guaranteed to wow your guests. The combination of gold confetti and metallic chrome purple balloons adds a touch of glamour and sophistication to any space. Whether you're hosting a princess-themed birthday party or a chic graduation soiree, this balloon arch will be the highlight of your decor. If you encounter any issues with your kit, simply reach out to the seller for a refund or replacement. It's that easy. So there you have it, folks, the All Indiana 1 Purple and Gold Balloon Arch and Garland Kit. Elevate your next event with ease and style. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy decorating!